Want to know how to enable or disable remote job settings in wellfind.com? So if you want to just see or not see remote jobs that are available for you in your relevant position, this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it in just under a minute. So it's super simple. So let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up your wellfound.com website and make sure you are logged in. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done that, on the leftmost side you should be seeing various options. Now right below profile you should also be seeing jobs. So again, this is like that. So the process is simple. Once you're on the jobs, here you should be seeing your post and your country, and right beside it you should be seeing your continent. This will be like that. And right here you should be seeing remote jobs right here. Right below it you have two options, that is remote off, remote on, or only remote jobs. So you can simply select any one of these. So once that is on, as you can see right here, it should give you results according to it. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.